Let us explore today the effort that we are undertaking. Let us try to grasp the depth of the work we are doing. It comes from an essential truth, an essential understanding. That is, whenever I'm able to meet anything, I grow. It's as simple as that. Whatever I can meet actually, deeply, without reacting, without escaping, without making a mind out of it, I grow. The essential error of most is the ungrown state. Guruji says we have something called buffers, something that prevents us from meeting, to actually be in touch. So the effort that you are undertaking in the name of meditation, in the name of sadhana, is to hold oneself in a way one can essentially meet what has to be met. A natural transformation happens. The capacity the masters of the past came to, they have great ability to meet without mind, without reaction. They met what has to be met, and they grow to what needs to be, what needs to come to be. There is nothing more that is needed. It will take a while to come to this, but once you come to this, you have evoked one of the greatest ability that almost everyone has. Maybe today, you and I can sit together in this space, if you may.